In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect Tapo camera to Wi-Fi. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Regardless of which Tapo camera model you have, you will be able to connect it to a Wi-Fi network. In order to do this, you need to download the appropriate application. So look for the Tapo app on the Play Store or the App Store before starting. You will open the app and you will see a message similar to this one. Welcome to Tapo, and you need to sign into an account with a TP-Link ID or email and then password. If you need to create an account, use the option at the bottom left. I don't believe that you will be able to set it up without creating an account. So input your email or TP-Link ID here, choose your location, and then proceed by tapping Next. Once you are inside of the home screen after signing up to use their services, tap the plus sign at the top right and finally add device. Now you will be able to proceed and choose which device you want to add. So it's most likely going to be an indoor camera or outdoor camera. Of course, if you have another device, choose it from here. Once you select the particular category of device, you will be given instructions on what to do. Usually there will be a physical toggle on the camera itself that you will be using to properly pair it. So look on your specific camera and try to see if there are any buttons or connect it to a power source. It is either going to automatically enter the pairing mode, so this light will begin blinking, or you will have to press a specific button after plugging it into a wall outlet. With this done, it should automatically create a Wi-Fi network. What you have to do is connect into the Wi-Fi network created by the Tapo device. So in this example, it created this network, Tapo Cam 1880. It is an unsecured network, which means that you don't have to input a password. So change to that network periodically. And once you are connected to that network, it might ask you to use location permissions. Make sure that you grant the permissions so it can properly locate and connect to the device. With this done, tap connect. It is going to give it a few seconds to properly locate the Tapo, and once it is done, you choose your actual Wi-Fi network. So choose the proper Wi-Fi network that you want to connect the Tapo device into, input the password of that network, tap next, and you will be able to give it a name, give it an icon depending on where it is located, and now the process will be done. The Tapo device will be connected to your Wi-Fi and manageable through the app. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.